Sabi bisa ona unka nche na so fu mu.
Ona ma bisa. So cha mu ni nanso. So pa na me wa.
Me pa cho, e ma bu nya botere ma me. Ewra. Me pa cho ba bia me bana wode na bedunu. E fa kunku me se me high life. Mami mi sa wo se. E probably no no wo wale. Ana so what sika na yo wode na begu me ba wa.
Mami, so wa. Ntimi ntwa nso nche wo mami. Mami be me yo gina we. Wa worry me fie. Asande me akwaso bu dem. Mami, me ye mu jali minti mami menti me asa me ring mpo na me dia trose mami so me ring. Mami, kwami boga ye gina we eye me kunu.
Me dia sem na ekosu. Ye no kwasem. Mami, bude dun kwase na wa hihye begu mbala.
Oboa.
Mami,
me bua. Kwami, I say, we last born ye no to papa o.
Hey, mami.
Last born ye no to papa o. I me dia to ho na me nyam. Just a one year scare be worrying, yes, sir. Kwame Boga, 1 year sick, a barber worrying, yes, sir. Oh, my me car, bomb me. And you win your papa, me no wo. I just see a bomb running for crowd. When you job, be a bitch, oh, barber, you would. Now, I'm and I mean, so no one said, no, I am a liar, and I'll share myself about it to human hair, mamma, what bad doings, I pay about the catching.
Relax. The other day, Mama, so good, you know.
Sir?
No.
It's just still sick.
Cut when you mean, surprise. What a cut when you mamma, and no cut when you mamma. Cut when you know, what a cut when you mammy. Cut when you laugh. Cut when you. You when you need her, dear.
Hey! What a lazy! Mamma mia! Mamma way! Mamma! Yes, Mamma! Tell me, obi to you what now? Mommy, weakness. Oh, massa miss weakness. That's what I can nice. Weakness. Mommy, why?
Benedicta, Mama Utuyo, Minyawa, Ubeso, Missy Mama, Mama Nanado. Yo, my name is Kojan Kansan. You can call me to my because of broken arm. And I got me, you know, have a lency, a Lennon Constellation Jackson and Kumawood TV, man. How dare you, boy, other former fans. If you know, I'm so commodity so. And fun to be say Kumawood TV, a hawk, never be baby, hey, and need hey, send you, said day. Oh, watching me on, you see me laugh and color the man. Tongani, do it you, natural some kind of what natural some.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages.
Benedicta, Mama Utuyo, Minyawa, Ubeso, Missy Mama, Mama Nanado. Yo, my name is Kojan Kansan. You can call me to my because of the broken arm. And I got me, you know, have a lency, a Lennon Constellation Jackson and Kumawood TV, man. How dare you, boy, other former fans. If you know, I'm so commodity so. and fun to be say Kumawood TV a hawk na benye bibia bi hey enije bia hey senyom said day oh watching me honum you see me laugh and color the man osua tongani di obetio natural sem kind of to natural sem.
You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the
Kumawood TV amansane yena yediemu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yediemu.
Download the Kumawood app today.
TV aba amansane yena yediemu. Kumawood TV aba amansane winnano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yediemu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yediemu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yediemu. Kumawood TV aba amansane winnano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yediemu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yediemu. Kumawood TV aba amansane winnano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena.
So right, for yeah, movie be back to Kumawood Entertainment Show live on Kumawood TV now, and yeah, Thursday, and you know what it is. Yeah, the update in the world of showbiz, and thank you very much for always being with me. So, me chance say, and I said, me nyamaya, me say, uday and I say morning and na enye complete, but we are back again. Na yetenase and semno bebre na. Don't forget, sir, we have the academic section of the show, and the whole enna 24 better na money at digest it. Ye be bosuko ni ye yi ma ne nsem nyina abro live on the show, and you know safi na do kasa fidie no anase fonyina to yes you are with us, and between now and 2 total excitement, and ye be cause pandemonium sense the major juicy headlines nyina no ewufia yes started with the tidbit, and over the weekend no be na course, so and from Monday, Tuesday, and of course another Wednesday there some be na ana aba na mpanita aka sembi se baby atecha aboa no anka yesa ho an yesane no na de wapoto amanafe no sabio nchi se eso di bom ana so de ne sabom, but akwakọ yesa de jebi aba Judas amafo ten en catch up, and yes Judas is in the news and no pay the Judas air can say before say Peace FM ebeba na wono ne team be together with the late John Bosompim aka Santo Afumu, and Uru na so nwan for Kwame Despite ono ye CEO or that Despite group of company ano, and omo boy ema a Peace FM kwa no mo na de buy, but akwa say in Peace FM kodum pempen so be a kopa, and yes at the enema bebre na baba akwa say Kwame Despite CEO waje omuma on kan wo mo nti Judas ne ra ho pa kokoma no boy oben Despite edi nkomo ana say Judas edi nkomo yenti nsema ye obusuapa no Judas e ka kire Ghana for
FM be Peace FM na ye ka ho ene wa mama kasem ne percent ka meka ne so wa mama kasem ne wa mama kasem yen ene ma Peace FM ye Peace FM Peace FM ye be to the din kurapo no me ka ho bi wow santo ka ho bi kwam se fakan ejina ho bi mami afia kwadu ejina ho bi ye ni ejina dua bi ase ene ye discuss e din ene FM masa station we me ka ho bi
of us around me braho nipa nkai nipa
that's how
me nipa nkai nipa sata ye kon despite oh my god ye quiet from what man yet be tna ho ye jingle ye we me free ho abe ye be free ho e be kofi pra no me duane pra
and yes Judas akan sembe but 2016 report in here say na say Judas and then acting career kakra say na won sheda nya fit and say na ho den no sheda ni ho and na so call years of it na okogye ne ho ayahwe na otena wo na say de be ya if you do Yankopon demands in coordinates as you know obedi na waka nsem bebre and yedibi abro yanko the camp of Chasney Ama Mensa Junior last week Saturday and as last week Thursday na ye din come about Giga Shatawale Eje na ebi say waleje I mean 300,000 Ghana cedis which is 3 billion na Lawrence Nana Asiama Hansen aka Bulldog the actual fee and as amount to Shatawale Eje as to say Odine Bebo show. Yente Bulldog.
What's the increase? Yes.
I think it's 500,000. Oba can be very wrong. 500,000.
500,000. Is it for corporate Ghana? I said
for any Ghana.
For any Ghana. Not a good. Oh, every of you break. Yeah. So the thousand of Brekum. Yes. The Chromo money in the mobile. That's the only cracker. They can't even raise that amount.
Let me ask you a question. A tin of milk. Yeah. So I'm to Accra. 3 cedis. Brekum iron on better.
Oh, the same.
Good. So Shatta is a product. Yo. Good.
Or a product.
So that's how you should see the artist. It's a product. Into the BSC every shelf. So Sanya Beji. And no crowd broken crowd boka more. Cause Uber now you have to fly as hotel Uber boka. Into Uber broken my train. Train later.
What are reason for instance? I'm getting a lot of messages saying Mumba. Oh. I'm even surprised about Water region.
Oh yeah. I think last year we were there. Last year or last 2 years we were there with xylophone. We did something with xylophone.
Okay. They want a message them in them. There's a more per shatter for a concert.
No problem. Our lines are open. Yeah,
and to be organized, yeah. But what I want to do is for instance,
we say new man no doors. We say like a lot of people are also calling us. So based on you do almost why?
Oh, okay. Nice one. Now, preparation towards the above and you should say,
oh, Namia doing Kakra.
Oh, okay.
Right, said the Bulldog can was it price of tea and as a mock at your nationwide. A cover BNT and found say, oh, draw and answer, oh, and about per wallet 500,000 Ghana cedis, 5 billion old currency. And if you want wallet to be on your show and answer, or may perform my what you consider out there, winning some Lawrence and Asiama Hansen, Bulldog, catch Ghana for. Don't forget, next month, the Wonder Boy, that is the Rain Wonder Boy album, no ever. Launching the Basson next month, and yeah, the whole details in Abema. Now, I'm off for big, section of music lovers, HS, Abiana Wale, Awini, Grammy with the Wonder Boy, but. I say amaziba mo tenasia yebedi ho enkomo bebre yenko book room na yenhwe one of the finest fast rising artists I mean one of the pillars in Osekrom talking about music Strongman Bernard Strongman say wa kan say bebre for sugar daddy so but oba bia dream say obenya sugar daddy ni apempeno na tese wonya ne ma pawom but Strongman the short one be and over background and as a stage and as on screen video no and dawa I don't know say Strongman ka for akotona of a Ghana for who there and Strongman ex young country Ghana for say he's not happy with this sugar daddy business and he thinks that old men are using their word to sway women from their boyfriend as most of them cannot compete with them and when a freestyle and a title no carry and at the YouTube and of course Oko Sam Dakus TV on YouTube, I'll be who a video. No, I say the kind of treatment old men are giving young ladies. Just I am the power for young men to provide for their girlfriend, and Strongman describe sugar daddies as abusive money givers, and also treatment, become a burden. You know, we and a strong man at the MIA still on the tidbit for you and Thursday and 17th October 2019 and your name Salinko is in the news, but Obi Sam says Salinko then Canada day only says Salinko there political season either is going for one party and another a movie, and this time around Salinko Hokani Edin Sembia Abetua things before so be shared Salinko and after so share no or more nye bibiada, but we was also waiting me ISA or more nye bibiada kusi say or more we answer na Sabio and Pomagoi almost started. Since I knew that I knew Rano, inti yes, I don't who can catch her.
But I'm going to solve I'm just supposed to be on behalf of my husband. What did you try? What's the first thing you guys have said? After the marriage, are you sure?
Was a best teacher, and I know sir, the Vietnamese, the hip hop communities. I mean, the fan of HIPHOP, you know, yes, I know Kakanda, and then my uncle a years of age now, a branch here, Kanye West, Kanye, I can't sing the Afano Kanye, Kim Kardashian, and someone Kanye West, can say, you know, or say, or can somebody open, you know, some fact about my wife. Say all show the body off or stage I say affecting it but Kim Kardashian you know chip back na sama a buy only sana say Kardashian ko show no roro no when the bikini ne entire the stage can you see what abonten as ono be man me ma ware me no aya na ha no ba wonti me kan won in the name of showbiz and it was the eve of 2019 Met Gala, and Kanye was giving Kim his opinion about the figure, say hanging a Thierry Mugler, the dress our plan is to share to the event. Kanye Kachan is showing her body off was affecting his soul and his spirit as a married man and a father. Me pacho marinko tu nsema Kanye kan I say the corset, the underwear, all of that vibe. I just feel like I just went through this transition where from being a rapper, like looking at all these girls and looking at my life, like oh my girl realized that was affecting me. I'll say very hot, and you know, Kardashian bit and I say here. I mean, on free entire show, and I believe that it's a good advice from a husband to a wife, and I say from a father to a daughter, and we any kakade man from. Obi man so and last one the tidbit already had my December 20th Reynolds Kwaku there up here Bisake there the ne Bisa Fest 2019 eba na Bisa say and country Ghana for say enye akran kono we show no and Bisa selected you know some part of the country obeko sunyane obeko Kumasi obeko Taji obeko Volta northern region and obo nyema baby and over the years Bisa Professor were one of the strong pillars in her live music with countless hit songs. Now, we have Bisa Fest about 20th December. Artists in Dawson be from Ghana, from Nigeria, from UK, from US of A, from Cote d'Ivoire, Togo. To mention, but yeah, just few. And say and they share any. Watch out, say Bisa Fest. Basso. Then. I think sir, you be trying one bar. But you what I say. You trying to see my your bar. Yeah, the academic and answer the discussion segment, you know, bro. And o comments or thoughts here me pa o hear screen so our numbers no egu ho obetimi asend a WhatsApp and answer SMS 0244633305 0244633305 and 0570847588. This is Kumawood Entertainment Show meba
Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu.
Are you ready to apologize to Joe Mettle?
I've not insulted Joe Mettle. If I see him right now, I'm cool with him. Me from Jometel because we be our choice.
Hospitals beyond my say we National Theatre. What to discuss? Them scouts are here. Conference. What to say? To me, I be probably there. What's Africa? Africa, my foot.
All right. The obviously we Christian.
Ye Christian papa.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, you are why I look as a Christian.
Me ba movie industry kwakumen tu me fubi.
Okay.
First time kwakumen who say me acting say me we no say bra. Looking at your acting who is very good.
Nice one.
But I mean too fubi. So over fair be boa. Men ko say some pe oba set so da.
Some car, some jai, some who, some pie, or tobacco, petty, sutro nine. Me wo, jayo, and I know if my phone or the boy, you but I mean to me, go to share me home, popo. But there are some Susuni, oh sweetie, brefian your fango, or a kiddie and if I entertain, ya how. Yo, lovely people of Ghana, you're watching Kumawood TV with Grandmaster Murphy. It's a blessing, thanks. More fire.
I have to do Abodria.
Abodria to Yabato and so.
Hey,
I was someone crying, you know.
Cloaky Stony, oh, you are, yo, me, Grandmaster Murphy. The show soon here, Kumawood Entertainment Show. Keep watching it. Me, probably a higher level. And something in a higher level.
For Nana Boati Murphy, so him dada. Entertainment is what I eat, what I drink, and I'm your entertainment grandmaster. I'm the host for the show. Now, I found breaking news from both local and our foreign industry. They're the videos from grounds ever to better understand our viewers' expectation. The up and coming artists, this is your platform. The movie industry is in it here. The music industry is in it here. A band entertainment show, a Dimba Kupe. Kumawood Entertainment Show. Said the medical catcher mono me pacho over to me at the message number. You can join us with a message. Ebiana your birthday. Ebiana a later than as a china Friday. You can over to me at the message number na yakin kama. I believe say we in the only platform abenya, you know, to spread and answer to share your birthday to and answer with your loved ones, you know. Obetime dia ba numbers no go screen so but mamenko na mema abedwa for akwaba and ensem no e wo ha bebre pa and tia yenya ne se anhwe ya na chese efin bia free enwuram na music election no aba so and ebedi ho enkomo bebre and that shatawala ka asem bia fa former musical president vice circle for and also ebedi ho but then started with Bisa First 2019, that is December 20th. Sure, Baswenda. I believe when they the maiden edition of Bisa Fest and Bisa at the program we're bar. Don't forget, he's not the only artist on Wankasa Airborne show and Samini Boss Samini Fest VIP for ball, you know, Salad Day Ewonim or Mobile Wale ball, and you know, 25th December Rapaholic accorded there. 24th Ubakumasi or Silkroom Clocking Stone is here. Stoneboy Bonnet there with the Beam concert and also a shaman to the world manifest air bonnet there EL and that tiny crowd and sayana on the wall start here tiny so a bonnet there and your monk yeah folks and I said the old folks that is the veterans I'm actually there on the program about December Julius Manstro Kojo Empin so I on the program about December you know Bisaba can you know the list of high life artists are Mwankasa Ebo or Moshu but Mamima Kosiwusu Frank Akwaba, he's the CEO of Focus Media Awards, and Amanziba Fifi is the CEO of Duration Ghana, and of course, artist manager and again event organizer. Amanziba, be our coordinator. I'm in so on I'm in chair. I'm in chair because you. Obede Pombede. Obede Pombede. Minim now if you hear I'm money by Saturday.
Not some of the good.
Oh, okay. Lenya wana ka ope jako. Ese Johnny Ochina. Hey Ochina.
Na so ladies dance ni
Saturday. Any live band. I don't know if it's baby. Kasa wo pesa go ladies night. Na ga say Sami no ba be juma Ochina or festival na say unze omo take coverage, full coverage e wo Joyam festival na ga say Sami na se ko jana say onu di kan obi a so ko jana wo ma na di kan ja.
Oh, so me no be ko.
Ono be bachina.
Na am say o se bibia don hotel bibia sha wo. Sai ready no na so ka ready.
Obe ya juma na say bibia beda.
Oh no, no be no na.
Oh, okay. Okay.
No, but it's 24/7. Everybody is so relaxed.
Amazwa, bibi aboko de.
Na me adu no
Saturday obawe.
Saturday.
Ah.
Sure, I'm sure I'll be on live FM. I'm sure I'll be on live. Either live or you sure I didn't come hello.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That means you can't come to my wedding.
Oh, do wedding. I had to just.
No wedding, I said that.
On Saturday in Bombay, but
now you can't Saturday by what, so that means you can't come to my wedding.
Murphy,
social media, no,
or social media, and someone asked you, say, but I thought you were already married.
Oh, sir.
Looking at your age.
Well, I can look at mine.
That's what the person said. It's on social media.
You are married.
No, that means that's a mama kind of question. No, the person said, I thought you were already married. Looking at your age.
Castivar, huh?
And you was Castivar and Kwana Khan. There were about 2 or 3 people who said one girl become can be. Say, hey.
I don't know meeting command by
social media.
You call say or defending Franco Wusu social media. Okay. Me mama MCR for no
because I was thinking say by now Frank but penny crab to me be 20.
Oh, but say our idea
my first daughter is going to Essex.
Oh, okay.
Having a child doesn't mean you're married.
Okay.
Shatawale
your friend is your Omon Beka na beko Facebook ako other comment in beko. Besides coming out with Visa Fest, that is December 20th, and we're part of Her Life as Her Life artist or more Mankasa personal show. And I was in India, I'm push up December.
Say, Obunya say December na. Them say Nkopa Pakistan go into Mbi. Yes, Korean fan go to December. Don't forget, say December now you have so many people coming to town. Who Abroad for who Nigeria for Munina.
Okay.
Abidi Bonya, you know. Definitely, it should be around that corner. But the issue has got to do with this oil we promote the empire because not in person, no. She can be found these days.
Okay.
Open now, open the pants and on. Unlike that time on the Becca, Nama, Becca, Visa. This time, open the fight, you know. He has a little lot of work to do, a little lot of work. Okay. And then, don't forget, it's our time now. We have Samini, we have Sata, we have Kujointu in Kumasi.
Much of the day. And
don't forget, sir, we way all the shows, then plan to go some, not all.
Okay.
This is a man's woman also more holding, because I'm only Rasta for the more holding.
Okofa Rasta anyway, na Samazaba. Mate, young
Korean. Have to go through it. If the promo doesn't go high, a better option for people.
Okay.
Because in the 25th year, looking at 20th to 25th, 5 days.
5 days.
It's about we say we cost artists in your way. If you guys are could this now, no one call her affected.
Okay.
But he has a lot of work to do.
Okay.
The team, no, it's good thing. Me, let me be frank with you. Yeah, artists no more event, and I made it. No more. So, corner nipa and corner boka. Then can some moka or boka. Next time, event organized be friends say, oh, my bushwa. About the way you would negotiate with a person. Jai Satan, Sako, the next tomorrow, I'm going to pick it up. I hire this keep going. I have more fans and all that I'm not for the banner. But someone like this, I want no more move for me. So maybe now I'm queer. On say yes.
Okay.
Event organizers like Amanziba.
Amaziba bisa program beba so Pele Gate Gardens or East Legon, that is 20th December. And this time around was say any one region show. Hence Obeko all the 10 regions, and I don't know if you have something saying about the Bisa Fest ever.
Good. Mamincha Ashafo, Incha wa Umuncha Frank. Maybe whom that story, you know, when I went through it, what I saw was that so okay for an addition to the friends to the old list. Because it's becoming gradual. I say every now and then, you know, you find every Ghanaian based artist be I want you to also have a certain program for him or herself. What we say Kojon can will be, right?
Sure.
and get to a point I also be up say on mascot or marshal and the first in the clouds. They who say yes or no be. Me, I won't fall to be sad for that. Like Frank said, when it gets to that angle now, people will be looking at your friends who is coming and who's also not coming. If you have congeniality in town, if you have problems, lumbar, any asepho, it becomes very difficult for Bisakade to actually, sail through easily. What I say? Though he also has his clout, all right. But I will say people who actually also support Bisakade and also with that hard life feel, you find also a lot more of them also being in that same category with that lumbar, the congeniality and stuff, because they are all hard life artists. But me, I never quite. I am me, I'm looking at your friend and the genuinity in whatever that they are doing. And to say, if I'm getting that genuinity now, I'll be very happy and very glad to say, yes, I'm getting those things. But in a situation whereby I am not getting those things, then it becomes a bit problematic. Then it becomes a bit problematic. Say, I say. Show now, but the dynamism in it, you're not getting it. It's just an addition, and the normal stuff. I said, artists be a baby, because if you got to come to realize, it is something when you also do now.
Okay.
It also keeps their sustainability and their name also on the ground too. So why not we also doing the same thing as others are doing, just changing the name or the title or the themes of the event, and make it look like our own, right? With that, men 40 bisa, men 40, it is good as an artist, but you also need to test the grounds before. And a lot more of the times, you realize that when they are doing such events now, these days, people have forgotten about, let me say, the mainstream or the traditional radio, TV, and so on. They are always thinking about social media. They say, clouds now, penance or fan base, also be on social media now. You can use that channel and get them. But we can't say killer beula should say do on be home.
Yes,
Bisakade being a fine hard practice. Yes, I thumbed up to him on that. I won't fault him, I won't begrudge him on that. It is right to also let people know, say yes, he's also around, he's also got nice, beautiful songs as well. And with that, I feel say it is okay, but I don't want to see it to be like the normal programs and say event every artist is doing. I don't want it to be like that same thing. There should be that sort of creativity in it. But you see, again, now Frank people say, okay, fine, the event say, yeah, artists now are banned. Or no, so I could find the video, the baby see, and tell us, will be other Nigerian artists and other African art. Excuse me. Let's say, or the bar. When you marshal the video Wizkid now onto his platform now, believe me, all these artists you are talking about, their shows will be a no-go.
Okay.
And Bisa will have the traffic. Okay. And he has to be very strategic and look into it and look at it well. Say, these are people when I bring them now, I'll be able to, cut and make that mark for myself. But again, you should also think about the cost also involved. Most of the artists on BS and a lot of them are free shows.
Okay.
You first of all have to fertile the grounds before. And to be fertile for years, I from do 2 months. Then when you say you are doing it again, and then they will be say, why are you be paying? It's a fan I have and to see how they bed in back. But someone calling it silence, of course, so I course I say, and you want to put a levy on it now. The people will begin to realize, say, no, you want to make some capital out of them. So based on that, almost well, thank you. I was a Kumasi, for instance, and as young for instance, you prefer shows.
Okay.
Prefer shows, but notwithstanding that, so I had the people so say, yeah, and yes, I had
okay.
And so Bisa per se will make it that mark now. Yes, if he's able to mix the artist is actually looking at now, and if he's able to bring them on board now, truly will help him as an artist.
Right. I know, sir, a lot of you are out there are watching us live, and many a couple of messages very soon making kind of man. It will be to me send out there. Keep yours coming through now very soon making kind of man. The lines are on the screen. Over to me, the message about the be make say I am an and come like should be connected and as in connection with what we are discussing at this very hour. music na yenka these two headlines a moment that unim say Wale Eden Wonder Boy I mean the Rain launched part 2 no baso and ahead of that Wale did say be about say former musical president buys Oseko for Bo or a failure at na or chair the affairs of the musical association and as president of the musical and I say people are afraid to say that the truth, but you know how straightforward Shatawale is. Obo was a big time failure as the president of Musica, and he knows it himself. Yes, I'm fair lines negotiation for now. No, what you can do is send the message about. We are also live on YouTube. We are live on YouTube. Abet me, ako YouTube. Subscribe and share na unia so na no Samdakus TV on YouTube. Oko YouTuber Samdakus TV on YouTube. And according to Shatawale, was musicians in Ghana are suffering because music is doing nothing to help them. And I can't say he explained that there are a huge number of musicians who are doing so well but have nothing to show for it. And I say, or you're rich because about what the other musicians. I say, I am really rich, but what about the other musicians? Some of the young and people and the fast rising ones. What will happen to them in the future? And today is Sama Shatawale Busa and October 19. That is Saturday. Our Fantasy Dome Trade Fair Center Accra. Ho Edna Yade concert case the Wonder Boy. The upcoming album no Basso. And before say Yebeko Studio 2 near Mazvane Frank Adin come yes for another headline from the musical presidency regional Emra and Rascalib appear together with a veteran musician. Better Simons, you know, said they are going in for president as musica and I say when they take it over from Obo. Don't forget say Obo a step down because now the time national. But because of certain case no court, you know, you can so board and now so can create to the general election. But NEC for I mean the National Executive Committee and as a council Edin Komo this weekend. The Omokacha and say Omudi year 2 year and na charges are Rascalib appear levy the say Omo here new registrar na listed the by I mean the delegate the core members as Omo to abano their names are not in until Omo here new one na Omo cleaning the representing the delegate no and now here na sa nkomo ni na no e ba be free na ya to aba say the be president obehwe association so amazba yanka we mom Shatawale you know saying say Oboa was a failure and again nkomo neck for moments manyanti can get this of I can see that the Bosco I mean one year admin or just say the nkomo na kudu na here then go say bunya beba na ya to abani yi president ama musica
good. I feel say it's a good news that the Bosco is saying by the grace of God by every December now a new president for Ghana Music your friends association and the papa. But you see me my problem is that I do not understand why every now and then the musical issues are being bundled or be saddled with facing legal suits, which I still don't get it. You see, there are the friends more committee the reason why the committee is there is to also look at those things to see say maybe say court they could step in as an alternative dispute resolution area to come in to actually help in doing merging or mediating on those things. Okay. But maybe so much last money could do that stage before. That's where my problem is. But all in all, in every democracy, when we want to test the laws now, it's the legal suits that will make us see the right way to go. Okay. I'm not faulting a friend saying Rascalib for going to court. That is right? Okay. And again, I'm also not grudging anybody in there. Say why would they have to not take out certain people's name in there? It might be an error. Okay. If the error has been rectified, let's say they are seeking to actually solve or go around it to make sure that it will be solved now. And I believe that is the right way to go. But I the association being actually starting with legal suit and stuff. So that's where my problem is. You see, time and case almost spending in creating or being more productive to attract a lot more members into their folds. Okay. They don't do it. They waste those times on going to court. You understand it? That's I feel say it's a big I don't want to say it's a shame, but that's what I have to say. I'm choosing my words very carefully. It's a big shame for them to sit, say every now and then they'll be hit by Saturn before. But if there's an avenue, they should look at it and actually, go past that stage. I'm hoping, say, at the end of the day, when the embargo is taken off, and I say they solve their legal issues, and they go to the ballots and vote. Now, whoever emerges as the winner, and who understands, say, yes, we are all rallying behind that person to make sure, say, yes, our industry becomes, as strong as this. The musical precedence, it's as equally as GFA.
Okay.
Football is part of entertainment.
Sure.
It's as equally as GFA. You have direct link with the president because you are being voted for. GFA you are voted for. The presidency is being voted for. Just that the presidency becomes the entire nation, but with this one, it's a section of people with members.
Okay.
Who belong to that same association. I don't know better about the moment. Service and more attractive, a lot more people. And yet attractive.
Okay.
And my last of sack what the money I said for no money members.
No joining.
No more joining. How to be no more joining. This is what we need. And yet, same the way court with the way you see me, the way you see me, but like I said, don't get yourself. I say any idiot can go to court. So if it's their right, what I say, it's their right to go to court. That one, like I said, I won't fault anybody. And
it's like Chatawale has or fighting for. I mean, the young artists and on looking at the peak and I say the one year music mono. Makes me say as an artist when you be but on who say it never be in I mean the executive committee and as executive council.
No, but what's the American Music Association president? What did he do that?
No. I mean, this artist be about.
You hardly hear of these things. I be no. They look at the friend saying the well-being of the artist.
Okay.
Those are the things that maybe such associations have to look at. What I say, and you hardly find artists attacking the association.
Okay.
There's a channel. There's a way of doing those things. But me, I never acquire me. Man, did shut down. I like his passion, right? And I like the way he is. Actually, my school, I'm quite the same to the school that he also went. Maybe few of about 13 years and so on, so Bahawi.
Okay.
But they tell you, he might have a genuine cause, a genuine way of saying or putting his message across. What I say, way of putting his message across. But the way a man now, he goes with like that attitude of, let's say, that's the dancehall attitude. That right.
One can make
You see, that's why people say, you see, the fact that we are in a democracy doesn't mean we should just, bisect or dissect our vocal cavities and just be speaking anyhow that we want. I agree. Me, I'm one person who wouldn't also say Obo was a successful music. I'm one person who says so. I agree with Shatawale on that score, but I feel now, Obo now is a dead goat.
Okay.
He's a dead goat. He's gone.
They were anymore.
So let's look at the way forward.
Okay.
Time my own. Shatawale is spending here to touch on this Obo issue. No. Across your politics, equalizations. Now, baby, and to say, don't forget it. Only Obium. Who can, whatever that he did, whatever that he couldn't do, whatever that he was able to do, it can never be brought back again.
Okay. When you have
that opportunity, no. Issue those things to those who are vying for those positions now. No, tell them that, my brother, when so and so came in, we didn't see these things, but now we want to see A, B, C, D.
Okay.
You understand it? E, F, G, H.
Now the Okasa neighbor.
What's in American accent? Murphy. These are the things that I am expecting Shatta to actually be touching on, but rather leave those dead goats to rest. Because there's no way I say Ghana issues are here having a Mahama now. At the end of the day, Mahama is no longer president now. It's President Kufuor.
Okay.
So when the time you spend in telling those time in discussing Mahama say President Mahama say President Mahama, why can't you concentrate on President Kufuor and say President Kufuor? Do A, B, C, D. Yeah, they are showing some.
I'm about hitipa na offensive. They all can and say the Chamu and Rano, the Biano bit to me, I have found will be gone, and the time you have is now. not the chairman, you can't do anything, which you know, say, or China's unknown. Tinana, so when you're more dinner, and I say, you have the platform, you know them. So, Rasapia, and I say, Bessa Simon Eba, over to me, I channel this advice and as information to them. Then, when they say, Oberity, in the scale of 10, Obama was 0. That is what Shatawale said in the post.
But you didn't let me finish. Obama made man Wesi, and also man.
Branding, you know.
I agree, but you see, like where you ended, no. Let's also not dread that fact here or boy by any bit.
Okay.
What is your boy by any bit? You see, there my baby. Shatawale can't tell me so. But when I'm walking with anything, what did his bit? Or what did his bit? When we know the call, it's a governance, a continuous process. When we say government, and I say governance, it is who it is. Shatawale is part of it. Sure. That man who say or boy to me no maybe no. What did he say about it? He sat down a roof and a jaff and watched those things to go on. Okay. Once he had that power, in rating, you see, in rating, so obey rating or board that way. I agree with him. Okay. So he has every right to say so. But let's also give that credit because he didn't come in there to actually mess up totally.
The aged welfare everybody. The music academy Okay. We say hi, boss. I'm watching you live. I'm so happy that my boss Wale is coming to release new album. Greetings to Sir Gadio, Arikus and Nana Focus. I'm Casti from Asin Fosu. Casti, thank you very much for passing your comment on the show, and I say audio message bye. Ochame Akodenya, I'm also watching live. Ochame Akodenya, big up. Thank you very much. More messages in here, but Mamenko Franco na main Frank on a shatter saying obo ebe zero brass de akunyane share as president, and of course Rade Aduma November 6th and yasa atu ashe da say ye be hu second nsem ye be twom no matter aba na say ebe guso court, but the ten say medical catcher anra na yakoyi case na free court na executive committee na tenase aka say be makwan na yato aba because mama ntio.
First of all, and when it comes to vote, we are first say about okay. We term that's politics, and you convince people to vote for you.
Okay.
Why we no manager, we are politicians. No, be so a peculiar. Oba solves be we on mercy the That's why they are in court. One for say the whole register has been tempered. Because I say, Gina, a woman has some vote no. So I didn't know who or not. Then go for and a dean and a woman. That's why it's in court. Okay. And if it is not, it doesn't demand it to stay longer. My son, they can call down at work. It means there's an iota of truth in what he is saying. And they said the law needs to be tested. But there no politics woman, some woman won't be. Then you are not a good politician. Then you don't follow politics because some woman never be able. But that is why say elections are won at the polling stations, not courts.
Okay.
So if you have, when we say a temporary register, you have the right to take it on and make sure say register no clean before you start voting. Yes, I say top when you make him. Now I go court. What's a yeah. So I agree with them. They should go to the courts, let the courts test it. Who ain't cleaning all the chaff in the registrar, then they go and vote. Then whoever emerges the winner, then he takes the mantle, then continue. Shut up. I like what Amanda said on this one. Say, anybody involved? Why a dead man is dead? Why messing name among the living? He is gone. Of what I'm married, he's no more there. Why don't you look at the way forward? What is he Shatawale in question? Contributing to the music union?
To help build it.
Well, so level what do you? who from you know no plan pay for because some man class now they are doing way back they will buy it because I need who can the finest artist now in Ghana about top 3 shut all the count. So what is he in person? So Ojun and Krana or more urban. And what he personally has he done for them. You see, sometimes people come and talk and they talk and they will just leave them like that. But we don't, as some more come. I say, do so, as some ye be me. Or no, now, I said, or generate him out. Or no, start on level and maybe that we do. What I see personally done for those underground artists? What is he doing? How many of them I see willingly call? Say, look, come, let me collaborate with you. Let's also hit yourself.
But as a matter of fact, and on authority say, your generation artists be anywhere, one you know, up and coming, you know, or my bad lamplight and so more known than Shatawale.
I disagree.
Maybe I'll bet me any more artists. Maybe you may because who the militants no cry now.
Oh, the militants. What the last time? Who did at the press conference? So to me, I prefer some militants. So
what well, I stand to be corrected though. But
artists are back from the past, let me say 20 years, from 2000 to date. Our by Pam, who say he was able to connect well with a lot of Ghanaian acts, both young, middle, everywhere. It's Samini.
Sure.
Yes. Shatawale by me.
Samini Kaki, Samini Kofi Kinata, Samini Stoneboy, Samini Kevin Boy.
Shata is good, but Shata could have been started so your future. It was quite recently. I'm telling you. But notwithstanding that fact, yes, he's doing his best.
Okay.
But like we said in here, they say, time of wasted by year, son, or by attacking Sanko for winning. I know he should channel that resources at that time into bringing and uniting a session of friends and the artists. Who could be a citizen? I put the moment. Sorry. I'm sorry.
I will to answer.
You see, you agree with me now, it's also.
Okay.
And I'm coming to boy or
why, sir?
The road, me can't the road, me can't the road.
Kosiata.
Who is official more?
Oh, yeah.
And okay, no one is so cast of what underground. You but about out, if you don't but when it comes to what underground more anymore. I'm telling you the truth.
But what? Why my boys in feel you?
No, you see, that is the problem we have here in Africa. Who did John I know told your mom. No, did you know I'm not. But I did bet to amount what to fish for yourself. Don't know what you do. They won't teach you.
Your Krumwana, some artists be at this Bobo Kwame Singapore. Kwame said, Kwame stay in Kumasi. One more artists be our
one more problem in floating. Let me tell you something. Some money in the American to say, okay, we here, instead of helping people to come up, we prefer giving them money for them to stay home. Bossy. Yes, to come out and go and say, hey, be a other boy, a man's baby. A man's back with it, I am not a continent. But New says, I'll bet and sell boss some or Beshan before was one I want to.
Okay.
That is one thing. So you teach people how to fish and make it themselves. So that when you meet, at least on mount bedding, no more pressure you. But also that's what we do. But why is that the undergrounds, the one the senior ones, let me put it that way, to future them, and they have to sweat before they get them.
Music video cry.
They have to sweat. Video you are going to future, but video of them.
Kiswag ne Kesson.
You are thinking of is that how you think of people?
Wow.
This is how you think of people. It's wrong.
Because me that say you better was when very soon you better call near her near my see the movie industry kakra say ya kasa on the music and you try hosima back up me pa cho ye ba you know you have a lot to discuss with you. Stay with us. Yeah, but here.
Kumawood TV amansane yena yediemu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yediemu.
Are you ready to apologize to Joe Mettle?
I've not insulted Joe Mettle. Me ninatem. if I see him right now, I'm cool with him. Me mfum Joe Metal because we be our choice.
Hospitals beyond my saying we National Theatre, what to discuss them scouts are in conference of what to say to me. I be probably what's Africa my foot.
All right. Oh, this is Christian.
A Christian, papa.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, you are why I look as a Christian.
Maybe I'm moving industry. Kokumen to me for
Okay.
First time a Kokumen whom semi acting, we are not a bra. Looking at your accent, very good.
Nice one.
But I'm in two for me. So over fair boil. Menko said some pet or bow said so that.
Sameka, Samejai, Semi, who Samapai, or Dobaku, Petty, Sutronai, me wo, Jayo, and I know if my phone didn't work, you may go to me to me, go to Shabby home, Popo, but there are some Susuni, oh sweetie, Brefian, your fango, or a kiddy and if I entertain, yeah, how. Yo, lovely people of Ghana, you're watching Kumawood TV with Grandmaster Murphy. It's a blessing, thanks. More fire.
I don't know about Dria.
About Dria to Yabato and so. Hey, I was someone crying, you know.
Cloaky Stony. Oh, you are, oh, you way. Yo, me and Grandmaster Murphy. The show soon here, Kumawood Entertainment Show. Keep watching it. Me, probably a higher level. And something in a higher level.
For Nana Boati Mefini, so him dada. Entertainment is what I eat, what I drink, and I'm your entertainment grandmaster. I'm the host for the show. Now, I found breaking news from both local and our foreign industry. They're the videos from grounds ever to better understand our viewers' expectation. The up and coming artists, this is your platform. The movie industry is in it here. The music industry is in it here. A band entertainment show, a dimba kupe. Kumawood Entertainment Show.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Are you ready to apologize to Joe Metal?
I've not insulted Joe Metal. Okay. If I see him right now, I'm cool with him. Me mfum Joe Metal because we be our choice.
Hospitals beyond my saying we National Theatre, what to discuss them scouts are in conference of what to say to me. I be probably what's Africa my foot.
All right. Oh, this is Christian.
A Christian, papa.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, you are why I look as a Christian.
Maybe I'm moving industry. Kokumen to me for me.
Okay.
First time a Kokumen whom semi acting, we are not a bra. Looking at your accent, very good.
Nice one.
But I'm in two for me. So over fair.
Okay. Yes, I'm a business na aqua, but still on a Shatawell and as I still on the camp of Charles Ni Amama Junior and Chebiana or unveil the track list for the Wonder Boy album. Basso, I mean the launch in Basso Saturday, but we are 14 tracks album. Among for expectation is Shatawell every to me at the album we a winning Grammy Ghana and oh his screen is what. I mean, all the list from 1 to 14. Nisha kwa nini say 18, but 14 wale representing ma lovers and as and fans. But you heard other 4 no. After the launch ni benya 4 no there. I'm for baby ka say collabos baby enum na isa. Minimum artists are now open also and that we screen as well. You have the Wonder Boy full listening na e was no yebedi ho enkomo on the 19th of October 2019 our fantasy domadical cat show and where tall list of artists they are built to entertain fans on the night, you know. Keswado will be there, Tiny, Medica, Kiddy, Kwame Eugene, among other great artists and over screen as well. You can see to yourself the track list of a Wonder Boy album. Because see, the Ghana Phobia can section of, you know, entertainers, HSA, ABA, and another music fans, HSA, Wale, the album we buy, every time we win a Grammy, ama a year Ghana.
Why should it be so?
Sana, Master Snake, because
no,
from.
I'm not sure the Master. I'm also part of Masters. Masters, I'm also part of the Masters. We have to only launch.
The moment say, over list track of list or the buyer, Shatawale in Ghana Music House nomination beam. And you may also from 1 to 14, no, as a Grammy for the nominating. That is opinion among for so.
Definitely, Grammy can nominate you. Nomination, they say have quality the songwriters. Okay. You can get nomination everywhere, not even Grammy Beach, any other place.
MC have me to me listen or screen.
But
so
even the masses don't even dictate for the Grammys. We don't dictate for them. They listen to the music and choose what they think is the best. Part of a category.
Okay.
And so now, what you have voted to. So I don't think. Fine, some of the songs are good, but for us to dictate for the Grammys is out.
Okay. Mas when you I follow the track list of the pending and after the upcoming album launch. That is the Wonder Boy album.
Mate no assembly, but I haven't been able to. Friends, I haven't gotten the opportunity to see the track list on the album. But surprisingly, Minima said you are making some session here. Say, a man for say sound is as one casa now.
Oh, David.
It will go to the Grammy.
I think I can get the video for help for Abraham for chant say Wale Wonder Boy should win Grammy.
Listen, Shatta he's a fine artist. Right? Shatta is never more than Sean Paul.
Oh, okay.
He's never more than Benny Seeger, your friends saying the Movados. No, it's not more than any one of them. He's a fine artist. Or a fine artist by our standard. Okay. But you see, you see what he
Oga.
Let's open to fine, Cheshire.
Tight in yoga.
And not minimum and I'm for one from.
Sign him not or Thomas, I mean.
Yes. I grew up in being a no shall sense of what banting budgeting. You understand it?
Yeah, who knows any pay?
Of feeding and trouble. You understand what I'm saying? If you're an artist now, leave whatever, do the work, leave the rest for your fans out there to push you to that level. Don't try to climb a tree.
But I know also Neka.
You see, don't climb a tree yourself and go and tell me, say, oh, the tree took you there.
Next week I will try and get a video for my viewers, but meet you.
Mr. Shatta is a fine artist by our standard. What I say, but the way a man now, no, me who be paying. What I say, Michael Jackson money at a certain point in life when they fell. I want to offer. What I say, Akon, yeah. At the point, Akon is no longer relevant again. What you say?
Oh, sir.
Oh, yes. Chris Brown, 3, 4, 5 years. Chris Brown was one of the hottest.
Ghana, na say, Nikrum.
Everywhere. Wow. Musically, I'm telling you. Already 10 top-notch American artists and now. I'm not sure they will be part now.
No. Now there is no part.
What you say? But some years back, even Low Wayne, Wizzy, they won't be part now. But some years back, they were part of it.
Okay.
Actually, since 1989 to date, actually had been consistent. And then
you 50 cents. Those days.
First of all, say we are 50 cents.
and the show be someone say, actually, over him. Look at 50. Look at Jaru. You see, we've seen a lot of great, very, very, very talented artists. More than Shatta. What do I say? The fans, the fans now will bring you down. Right? I want him to concentrate. I'm a big Shatta Wale fan.
Oh, okay.
I'm a big Shatta fan.
That's a beam kakra.
No, I'm a realist. I speak the truth. I don't embellish issues.
Okay.
I feel he should let the work talk for him, but he himself should not talk. Or he should just keep quiet. Let his work talk for him. What do I say? I was a bad man said you couple of banner who go with much of banner.
The only also.
You only now see no banner, but who's and you know canoe. That's not the reality.
Obefa sir. Onya de ho hye mo.
There be obedu one ma on to him. What's in American? Let's be factual with ourselves. Shatta is good. He's a fine artist. But me feel say the embellishment, the embellishing, the way manner we are saying doing things no. Charlie, I thought that we should but that's now we're not review.
Okay.
What face steady a little bit. Dan no of your Dan beggar. As we are feel just for him to feel rational. Me I feel like this is
right. Ma yen kan say enye Shatta num tone na waka say ne Wonder Boy win album, but fans of music and can say Shatta after the launch of Wonder Boy album. No, they believe that the album will get to Grammy, not a Ghana Music Award. That is quite more can. And my promise was next week Thursday by this time. Video in Babana where nipa doma no mo ye interview na mo kana just what say shatter a huge fan base or Ghana. Okay, yeah, and there are no greener pastures everywhere and I say anywhere. And now here Ghanaian Afro-pop singer Nyola Wiala Akasa say mama beso mutu kwa ko bi ma so koseki for greener pastures no baby ane ha yentina san say baby anywhere ba aju and mbacho one host of 3FM Drive, Giovanni Caleb and the Dean Como, and the young people, especially a man who seem to face more issues than the boys, need to work harder and realize that the same energy you use in a big city or going outside, you could also use in your region and towns. There are huge opportunities coming in farming and tourism, and this is advice from Nyola Wiala and Yemfa Kakra from the music industry, veteran producer and as director Soket Safo Edin Simbia Babonte, and then Chebia na access for grade in Sembe de Ghana Habibis reported by both Ghana and Nigeria, and Soket Safo say Yankate Ghana for says some actresses are producers with sex for roles. You be doing come bebre ene we hu ya me panda very soon ye be ma wo so abaso na ye di enkomonda mami ko tun se maso kesafo e kan we say you must not just pay attention to just the ladies and as some producers may also ask for sex before giving out roles, but there are ladies who also offer sex to get roles. I say I've heard a lot of up and coming actresses complaining bitterly about being harassed by movie producers. Should the producers take to the media to voice out their shares of the we all going to see what happened in the country. And in my field of work, we tend to meet beautiful and attractive ladies at all times. But the point is, some of these ladies deliberately entice us with their good looks so as to win our hearts. So we give them roles. And our advice is such actors to focus on and build themselves up and improve on their craft. So this is what Sokesafo so can. Yes, abono on a teenager ho na onim say the session so far. We na kamenya nanka director some dark we say wo ha na we movie director dey na ko team be cheche ni mam ne hu sampa komna sana mo ya na sana man ye but amanziba why there I know say in absence of some dark you know I have my pandit you know or me were equipped with messages in you. But before some call me guest and answer my panelists no my try and see man back over to me the message number 02446333050570847588 maybe see here
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Are you ready to apologize to Joe Mettle?
I've not insulted Joe Mettle. Me need attempt. If I see him right now, I'm cool with him. Me inform Joe Mettle because will be our choice.
Hospitals beyond my say we National Theatre what to discuss them sounds I need conference what to say to me I be probably what's Africa my food.
All right. Obi so here Christian.
Ye Christian papa.
Okay. All right.
Ye bi wo ho a enu ka say Christian e ko.
Me ba movie industry kwakumen fu me fu be.
Okay.
First time kwakumen who say me acting me we no say bra. Looking at your accent, very good.
Nice one.
But I'm in two for me. So over fair boy. Men ko say some pe oba said so da.
Sameka sameja semi hu samapai odo ba ku penti sutro nine mi wo jayo de na no afi ma fono de na bu atwi me bona mi nti mi nkoto hwe be ho popo wadara sem susuni o sweetie brefie ni afango ona kidia ne fana entertainer ya how. Yo, lovely people of Ghana, you're watching Kumawood TV with Grandmaster Murphy. It's a blessing, thanks. More fire.
I think about Dria.
Abodria to Yabato one so.
Hey,
I was man kwanya no.
Floki Stone. Oh, iwa. Yo, me Grandmaster Murphy. The show soon here, Kumawood Entertainment Show. Keep watching it. Me, probably higher level. And something higher no.
For Nana Boati Mefini, so him dada. Entertainment is what I eat, what I drink, and I'm your entertainment grandmaster. I'm the host for the show. Now, I found breaking news from both local and foreign industry. The videos from grounds ever to better understand viewers' expectation. The up and coming artists, this is your platform. Your movie industry is here. Your music industry is here. A band entertainment show, a Dimba Kufe. Kumawood Entertainment Show.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Amansane. Kumawood TV, Aba. Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Kumawood TV, yes, Yedimu.
Yena Kumawood movie, my TV.
Kumawood TV, Kumawood TV, dear, and I'm for the best.
Kumawood TV, Yena Yedimu. No, Jayato, what the fuck would be
very soon, you better activate phone lines. No, na most much margin. Na hear the secretary of work and say, I am a man on call. A man be so and ties. I mean, producer said, "Be on Benya role." Our movie industry na. You better don't come over and more messages in. Also, there's nothing good about the Wonder Boy album. No collaboration from Ajua. Message or day by wow, this way there. I say, you looking good. I miss you, dear. Fine. I'm finding and come home. And Nana Kofi, I say we are watching live. That's our models apart from a drop. Okay, Nana Kofi, thank you very much for watching a Kumawood TV. Okay, Nana Equia, and Nana Equia's message. You are say the okay, Nana Equia. I say. Kumawood TV, I'm not my thumbs up. Okay, that is all. But most messages never monfa mo message in account. Monfa thumbs up no kwan masa. Mudini baby am one issues na discuss mon kabi. Nana one. So they about. So we are watching you live on YouTube. Kumawood TV, you do all. Nana one. Thank you very much for your message and also waiting the Odiaba Kofi we GH. Was a Grandmaster Enchebiano. Was very soon. Okay, that is or no your artists are enche ne track air barbo ntintino man that is all Kofi we me that say so do the buy na ma me nko amanziba mo na yeni enkomo ye hwe ensema so kesafo kan ha na say ha emema no na mo yusu adwin bi emma no enya role na say ebia because me producer bia bit my dad so be man rule the person no ye be no be but an help sinino ebe kwa aba na wenim or do be call next so na say entry the next movie and yinsu ade wo ha phone lines no e was screen so beti my friend come aye di ni nyina no say the reala e kan na wo bi ka fa ho such at wale album launch no e na wo bi ka na say bi sakede ensem na wo ka na say ebia na eye de so kesafo e kan also wo bi ka beti me Afre Tisia na Yadin Komo studio line is 0200 603 602 0200 603 602 with me at the Ode Abana Yadi and Komo medical videos be more mania program na here earlier no with me ako YouTube page some Dakus TV on YouTube videos no be ya pick calls but my menko Frank my start also so Kesafa Kasa on say no he's known for this sexy movies. I mean the hot falls and movies need also be brave. What is here no? A man na omo pe so omo star and omo twitwi mema no to get a movie role. Meaning you are take on so okay something somebody about it.
Also the video bit show before the show. Okay. Maybe down home. Chum koba se be man friend. Now no ako catch the man say hello
don't see me because my man will be nkomo wa homa ne so but you dey never be afraid me okay want me nyina so 0200 603 602 me ba cho frɛ we dey never be afraid me free
okay yeah for me DJ Nat Bubu
hello
Central region and the show live or have
me ba cho we dey ne be me nua
DJ Nat Bubu.
Oh, Nat Bubu. Nice one. Senior DJ what mean to you? That's it.
Then call a Socrates, the Okan, sex aspect,
Okay.
yen yen ni movie mu kura ba no radio side ba no musical side shishe mu wache say promote ye ko ba na ye ti sha upcoming artist ni pi na obi timi ba any way on TV sunti no
any who did good
no on say most of the time no when you share the right person Why is or the Befasa a brand manager or will be all
okay.
Because some same ladies now, or don't hold back me too for year. Or what you a couple of presenters and a DJs be free. Side in a industry. Say a shiny na yen to tweet home for. I'm by yen to for. Okay, you say, but you move you so much.
Yeah, you move here.
And that's it. Young woman, there's a young mentality.
Thank you very much. That's DJ Mate. I honestly just DJ Nat Bubu. That's a award winning DJ. Also, bet me about Manasona, Yadi, and Como, and number. Okay, maybe okay. Frank, my means you. Okay.
No,
okay.
Not only that, not in the host to Ghana Live Worship Challenge. Oh, for Kingdom FM.
Oh, okay.
He's the host.
Okay.
Yeah, on the host of 2 to 4.
Mame for be na me no bi ni komo. But you didn't be afraid me free.
Hello.
Me ba cho udi ni be afraid me free. Hello. Too bad. Also bet my friend and yan kwa man so. Udi ni be afraid me free. Hello. Okay. Udini baby a friend me free mpacho.
Dying.
But Udini be?
Yeah, Danny boy.
But my minti o Danny.
Yeah. I go see. Let's go for this.
Danny boy, Kwame.
I go see.
Corporate.
Oh,
Danny corporate. Say from Lance corporate. Oh, yeah, Danny my minti o.
I go see. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
The better of what you know.
Okay.
Why are the president?
Okay.
Your bomb person for 7 for me to about.
Mate. Na Kwame one kwadra.
Akwesibeko.
Mate, fancy be din komo. Mate. O say abefa no yemfo bi ahoma no so betimi adwene ye na we din komo. We are so live with us on the Kumawood Entertainment Show. But say what product bi na be say your boy ho the whole show no suma wa obetimi aba. Udi ni ba bi afre me free. Okay. Obetimi edo product na ba na yedi enkomo. Ebo na fofofo and obenya ye global mileage. Yemfo bi wa ha. But udi ni ba bi afre me free. Hello. Hello. Udini baby after me free. Too bad. Extra mo fry am mo ntwe mo ho face mo TV set no. Obetimi kwa na wo de lower na say dum no na ye ni come through the phone. Udini baby after me free.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes sir, udini baby after me free.
You're from Kofiana.
The from say?
Yeah, you're from Kofiana.
Kofiana maminti we.
Because of the Central region.
Mate, Kofiana maminti yo. Central okwan wa. Kofiana Sabra na yeni nkomo na dwumade na me ka cho se me mu nyina na edi na me o time ma me loyal viewers pa obetimi afre 0200 603 602 0200 603 602 and some baby na yedi ho nkomo udin ni baby afre me free. Okay, ba me kwa kwesi ma mintio
me ka se
na bubu
on a host to Ghana Live Worship.
Okay.
Oh, Kingdom FM.
Okay.
Kingdom FM. Oba so team tell the Rex.
DJ Nat Bubu.
Already at my Saturday best eviction. Oh, so show na.
Okay.
Na ka tell me ko find.
The eviction nya wie.
Oh, eviction. No say no it's a
okay. Nti aka eviction do say na aka.
One free man then they are going for final.
Mate. Ma meni nkomomra. Ode ni ba bia fra me free. Good afternoon, Bacho. Udini baby a friend me free.
Bacho me katafi.
Okay, my into
Kale.
Bacho my into oba odian na wanya adaje agina so kama na nsem ya pese oka bia no nsem bebre na ne ahwe agu o ba bia pese ofa fi bia no ebie kra na obi birthday na pese o wish no yes you still have the opportunity since this is the platform unya ne be bia obema wa share ne bia ohia bia ma wadamfo anase unua anase obisu ani until obetima phrases ya na ye befa be 2-3 calls na ya end phone in no na ya di nkomo ato aso nti se oba na we fortunate na se etomo a ye betimi no akasa frank moment you
now we say vision as 9th of November and the finance in baso all month our church amasama
okay
9th November ya
na say you be 3 weeks ahead
yes okay finance baso so Kisafo also some of them entice them and they also entice some or they don't entice some that's what we say we still kind of some people have been a good person
mate odini baby a private free but aya lower TV set no lower TV volume no lower no mabna kasa na mitio
Me kasa free kumase
mabna mitio but odini baby a private free odini baby a private free good afternoon sir
yes from show free Cape Coast
show ma mitio
na mpese mskache producers na mabane say ya mayo na mo sisi amba say omupemwa omumu jai sex na mu kan na mu yenu na me pemi da
me da show kobi so etie panti producers na mabane mo ntumo hofo na mo hwe ne mayi oba na watch on free TV no na so the lower volume no obet they make bia no through the phone obetemen kapa me data say me fa be 2 calls and count virtual still obetimi do message aba obetimi do message aba ewo WhatsApp and SMS kosi mamintio
no definitely see about enticement now what so because Safosu nim can say almost they don't see something going for them themselves
Jimmy more intra.
No, some doubts mean now so they be bad. What do you guys do with you who are jump on Marco.
Uminyasemo.
Oh, I said it's a fact.
Oh, and uncle.
You were able to say that, and I like that because of that. Oh, okay.
Mate, mami fo bi amane so. I have me ba me de be call amanzebo me ma so bi. Mi jawa be ka asem. Udini ba bi afre me fi. Okay.
So simply.
So jina so. Udini ba bi afre me fi. Okay, yanti mi.
It will become like we say, vice versa.
Okay.
Vice versa. But we all need to be very careful. And then I'm not exposed to baby. One man say, "Oh, catch up man rule no one for rule now, man. Now be one day he will use it against you, or she or he will use it against you.
Okay.
Let us try. That's exposed by BBC. Okay. By also it's affected. It will affect the students. Or people say, "Oh, I'm more woman."
Oh, but man, enough evidence because say we follow a video now already on edited version.
Even sure on edited one. Oh. But what I've watched.
Who didn't ever be a primary free? But your mom into your menu. But I say,
it's a meeting program and then you have a number.
Okay. Your phone no friend number we are why. And I said numbers never screen is with me free beer. Me that say. On also there no. You better one more call and you pick a call BM and you challenge with picking up the calls. But two team ba say Thomas 0200 603 602. That is the line you use more phrase 0244 no. Sorry, you need to make a phone so it's there for you to send your messages and as or comment on the show. Now I can be very amount. I was saying, you.
Okay, so this topic has come up before. I don't know about Safia.
Maybe I'm so many songs on manage actress that. The best of count there or the count there.
Oh, so them say yeah, money and they don't have the chance to meet ladies. We meet men.
Okay.
We meet men. We don't meet ladies.
But once the way din here no. Or start here, me person also ye din man no can answer. Ultimate adjective. No, but for on this call on can be and the person we are.
I want to say me come my story about him.
Okay.
Mama
pick you. Within this Miriam. Majua kasa free.
Me kasa free Kumasi.
Majua mama ntio.
Me pese mo number no. We ni ye mama.
Sasa yenye ni ye say.
Kasa.
Majua kasa. Okay. Within ba bia free.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Perry.
The first say.
It's from Perry.
Okay, Perry mama ntio.
Me first three option as Kokogen.
Ma Perry, ma who?
Na mpacho, the person mo bomb about so far mo program mo ye.
Okay.
Because Kumawood TV, you want to maba. Na maba for good.
Okay.
And me share mo power mo do my song mo bobo asanti mai. Na me come after me so.
Okay.
Na me person me character directors, no ni producers me pe.
Okay.
Bible can tell me, autonomy can be ordained in the beche onibie atimu. What you say? Into so be much no, and also so be a role. Let's be a director into what the eno. A be advantage. What you say? Ejina so let's only Canada. Let's book talk at na ko pon here too. Into me simple info. So mon share no mo nchima na mobile.
Oh.
Because oko you this ah. E chere bi so be duru ba so. Let's say pepe.
Okay.
Into Mr. Na minimum adwuma.
Okay.
No on come home.
Okay.
Alright.
Me da say and Frank ma statement be na obo actress be din Safia Harun Safina and there is a news on Ghana web. Oko say girl no say on share bi wo set soda. On share bi wo set soda. E bi wo ho but as on no persona no onyanko sex for road that you know ebia na obi ate na o kan ho asem say though ya boni din all right but oko Ghana web CC da ho such Safia Harun on movie sex for road and what deny say or not there but e wo ho or no dey ohun bi da kwesi ma minti o
and don't forget say as my foot we are in your be kan ya the Bible quotation come there are some ladies who would want the ruler. They will go extra mile to get it, no matter how it will come and how the cost involved. And to that's what you're from.
Now to
a class of
okay.
Yeah, but that is for some more money. Near 2 months, so Mokona, a moment to say for me, Momuncha, or Munchasi.
Okay.
But no more so far, so say, Tinker, so would it matter in manner with my wife? Because that is the perception of some of the ladies too. Officer. Martin, the man on Quan, they are over to India, then my Bobo and Robert been matching on
oh, Mahumida.
When you're naturally gifted, and I rule of us all them so only I didn't issue your own.
Okay.
So, first of all, who are welcome? Who said you are naturally gifted? That is one. Two, who said, oh, yes, and by only another better goes here. And I don't forget some of the movies that they are so nice.
Okay.
Be more for Coco.
Onyini so no offer. Onyini no offer pa. Amazima nya producer, Amazima nya director. Kawasem ne nkoye.
Don't forget he is an artist.
Oh actor. No. Oh artist manager Amazima and producer movie.
No, he's an actor. They all go and meet and they do things together. They do things there.
Okay.
Not only producers for among themselves. They do things.
Minister, and then say Ejabeto.
No, especially remember now, okay. I don't answer master.
Okay.
You'll be producers.
Oh. Yes, a waka producer, one can directors, no. Amazwa, Frank can be, but Massa Bahobi, only say Kofi Kinata is in with the brand new song, Things Fall Apart. And Wawa Conta, Resoma account, I think Kofi Kinata, your songwriter.
Oh, no,
you remember, and last say, I'm into you. If I say, I come about from Gakra, and I'm this highline.
They do it. A husband knows it.
Vivi, mammy, dear. Mammy, mamma's barber 4 minutes. I am a dear man. Na me de phone meet you.
This is no news.
Okay.
Sex for roles in movies and sex for what is movies in the creative art industry. Where any news, sex for in studio works, sex for whatever, sex for producers, sex for whatever.
No. They are told that.
We
Unya host.
Any news. This thing happens when you're not creative.
Okay.
You're not talented.
Okay.
So when you're creative, that's why you're talented around. It becomes very difficult for even a producer to say, oh, I want to sleep with you before I give you a role.
Okay.
But that's what I make that say. That is the hallmark or the name of the game. It is creativity. It is a creative art.
Okay.
And you know, why will a friend say, why won't someone who is not creative push him or herself or push herself onto a producer because who is say on your creative, on such on your talented? And you know, I never go back to media entice producer and pay sex.
Okay.
That is the only thing. So let's also turn the coin. Kojon Council wants to act. He finds on your actor, he wants to act.
Okay.
Let's obey more. In quote, let me say this. Nana McBrown said, no, Kojon Council will sleep with me before I give you a role to play.
But that's happened.
No.
That's happened.
Oh, please. When Nana McBrown says, Kojo, give me a role, sleep with me.
As Nanama being a producer.
Okay. Sleep with me, or Yvonne Nelson, or Jocelyn Nomasu say, Kojo Council when and I say, be a friend, Samantha, sleep with me before I give you a role to play. That means
not just said by this time I could go pick and answer.
I remain resolute on what I am saying.
Okay, me too.
Frank will not drift me from what I want to say.
Okay.
Me say.
Okay.
Fan say.
Okay.
And my omo Omu equally qualifies.
Okay.
Ben guys omo in that room be also qualifies. When the number my ground, and now would Jocelyn Dumas, and now your friend say me la Bobe say Amanzaba, I want you to sleep with me before I give you a room.
I don't still get it.
Oh, listen. It's a sexual role. You see, it happens to both men and women. Frank, let me.
I know it. On what then or did just say, oh, man, the way to make us to mass of my brown. It means can't say
not just a Kojonia talented and a call certain as
Frank.
Talent in our
Frank is making me drift away from my.
Well, Bob one is a man, because he man casa. This is a friend.
I hate them to us when I'm
Walk out the Walk out the
Frank Casano. He said a lot of things I could have butt in, but I kept quiet and listened to him.
Because he.
What did I say?
Yeah, Brandy, I have Mr. One.
One come from the
Vivi Casamity.
Me say, my tenant coin, no.
Okay.
My tenant coin. The successful year share a man of the end. No, my tenant to member and say, what now my grand says Amanzaba, and now will hear Messy says Amanzaba. Sleep with me before I give you a role to play.
Or be factor number 2.
That
is oh you're talented dada. That's when you say you man about be no. Obetimi aya. Minnesota the rule never man. Two. If your hair outfit. The way now o appear no cry. Frank next week now have it now. I must 2 hours or 2 hours.
Recently I started my see this movie.
Okay.
The Mad. I have never spoken to my Sesedu in any way, in any manner. Said Mercy feature me in your movie.
Okay.
Right. Mercy Sesedu featured Ruthie. Mommy did Nelson in her movie. Ruthie played the lead role in that movie.
Okay.
Nobody on Mercy Sesedu set. No director, no producer on Mercy Sesedu set slept with Ruthie before.
Okay.
Or neither did Mercy Sesedu brought in that offense, sexual offense when on before I was starting that movie. I had no idea.
Okay.
We just had an information say she's doing a press conference and she invited us and we went there.
Okay.
When we went, then she let the friends the information.
I na hardly say ubenya oba producer or no entice bema actor, but yeah, I must say it happened to a man.
See, make say it happens. Me turning the coin.
Okay. We have over turn the coin.
Ruthie played the lead role in that movie.
Okay.
Ruthie hasn't starred in any movie, but she played the lead role in it.
Okay.
Then Samuel Bentum, the director, Sam Power.
Okay.
Was also one of the directors, enticed Ruthie to sleep with her before she was called onto the set. No, please keep quiet. Please
Frank,
keep quiet.
me want say me some man can answer me patch. Frank, Mr. Opa, your few minutes to say goodbye.
Listen.
Say the 1 minute watching in your kosi. I'm with you.
Listen. Me say these are normal and these are things that happens in the industry.
Okay.
Abebia no. It happens to people around. Serve and marry for sex, for roles, whatever for roles you. It happens to women who are not creative.
Okay.
In quote, women who are damp and daft.
Okay.
Are the people who falls victim to these things. I am telling you this. I have also seen an actress who went on set. What I say? The manager didn't call set so. Only call set so within 35 minutes time. The time is soon, you know. Then Obi Fred, the manager, and said, "Come to the set and come and see your artist is sleeping in so and so person." Yes, which was true. Which was true. Artist
in the name of role.
No, just because she's playing a role alongside the artist.
Okay.
So she has to open her ties. The artist never falls there. The gentleman in question never falls there to say, "I want to sleep with you." What in American I say? Me say these things they are normal in the industry, but hurt you.
Wow.
So the reason why this things a woman say make her say say artists no one only creative. Only the left and right in the game into a person further way. No the bedroom. Abibia say how also no munya lead roles o. E ye work pass roles. Flashy roles in the ma. What you say? I played a lead role in a major role in Mercedes this movie. I played a major role in the Thanks Match.
Okay. You consider the ladies, you know, they go for movie role in exchange of sex and whatever actor. You find say the circuit air cano. You find say this and so be hey na or movie producer and as she want to be a star and as a actress. As a star, man, by yourself, you know, advance Ben out the money background.
If I talk word on many star.
Why you movie near? Oh,
near Thierry say.
One is star.
Murphy, would have been friend on 20. That will be a difference. Near Thierry say, artists now or back. One very new so or friends a movie actress or actor.
You're less than 5 minutes.
Me patrol. Or what is the motive into the call here? Say, you're afraid for a Jumabi. Necessarily, you only certificate to Juma. Do you apply for the Juma?
No.
But these are people, that's a typical example. These are people who knows very well say one industry where a woman the first certificate there your version there you know and one so because say oh your training looks so what for Sebio in quote let me
what to afabaya also
or what or nice color and say see who offer no makosra so more then
o masking na to so
then the producers no will tell them say bra. May you sue. Me have seen plenty of them. Obi aba set no buy no. Only room till. Only room, but you know what happened? Because only director been to know. She was called onto the set. A man walk pass row. So near the man no. Masa, she came onto the set for more than even a week. Mufti utina mekano. Left Mufti. Oba set also over 1 week. 1 row per se no trade say near the man no. Yes. Then I was asking her, I called her personally. I called her person and asked her, say, why are you here? Because you've been here for over a week now.
Okay.
I haven't seen your role yet.
Okay.
Also, you see membra, you see me now advice says listen. If you want to be a good artist, if you want to be a good star, a movie actress now, you see, you first of all have to visualize yourself into this say You know what you are about, you know what you are coming to do. Don't just stand up and say Franka frame say membra a friend say Ghana live music into no me ba a wonim say untumi ntonyom see o just because say bia o Nyankopon amama and doubt into no enu ntini me sorry ya na ma dem aba when it happens so now do you know what happened? You give room for these directors, these producers no to sleep with you. Murphy, when it happens so you give room for these directors and producers to sleep with you. And that's what me I don't understand from most of these friends up and coming artists. People like Nana McGround. Nobody, no producer will call you and tell you, say, come, I want you to start in the movie and say, I want to audition. It is this upcoming ones. You understand what I'm saying? But it is this upcoming ones now they between this other way because they are dumb. They are dumb and they are daft. They are not creative. They that's what we call reasoning. When you are talking, I kept quiet.
Menya nanka ye obrebe pa na.
When Obia lucky creativity be no. And I be person use sex to induce somebody.
Okay.
All lucky creativity a abia no. What for say bia o. And my men fa no honam. Enkonkoje.
Sir. Me fan say say radio station bia na say TV station bia and set up na say open service na me kwana say GM no ayo ba and see you ni oba obeka say so na me dance ma form adwuma na say
Debi tio be kwai be no fa so no de frɛ onim ni obetumi aye.
Okay.
And onim ni a wo ye.
That is a creativity no wo ho.
Creativity is there. Okay. So one kasa tio brother wait.
I was ordinary na no see.
So one kasa sorry.
Okay.
Say me ba Kumawood.
Okay.
Me ni hwe ye wa ha, me ni hwe ye wa ha. Me pese me ba Kumawood ha no ma. Na so ba si say one man dey dey na be ka dey. Then that means that say
design program be man
na. So buy so entirely what share na say for revealing.
Okay.
You came in to entice the director of the station and the people of the station. So let me tell you something. Abaso de on and na ho.
Am Bobin
ka. Come and the encow. Irrespective of what the situation is, so you'll be tempted. That person will be tempted to say so.
Can do so on so far, baby, obey your
So these girls are making on.
Matia,
Oma one some said so. Master should be one more bound. Overshare the bag, you know, and tell us in baby 10.
I'm a perfect cry different.
Ever 10. Intimidation or by some bad young fellow. You see, so don't blame producers who sleep with their girls on set.
Well, sir, thank you very much, Fifi. I wish you were enough time to go much and as go deep into this. Now, your mom more education and ready to do my Michelle was next week Thursday. You've been enough time near discuss some of these headlines are a boy. Always, I keep saying, sir, when you got to this part, that is the academic section of the show. We educate now. Your mass solution, or your producer, or your artist. So if you belong to the entertainment industry, I know sir, you take and as you pick some part of it. Before I me call my last but one, which I know means say 1 minute crowd or my papa and say it will be opinion. The opinion they always say as will be an no. Ready aduma me there be now I mean coming Saturday week I was net yesterday I also season 1 eviction no yes started you know say oh yeah contestant and as if you are part your group me that is last week in your group mo move to me about 7 a.m. per and it will be live, it will be aired on your number 1 TV station, that is Kumawood TV. Don't forget as TV so we are streaming live on YouTube, that is Sam Darko's TV and to no cause is here and already advance me there now I was net the eviction that is the season 1 we better also one na ma hana fe omo asebi omo create si omo so na omo back you know on kan wa bra be hwe bi ne hwe ni so that means Nyankopon abode papa was asasi so it was side attractions there will be some artists that performing that you also have the chance to take obviously salary for selfie with some of the movie stars, I mean some of the celebs, you know, over to me about. But so what product be now person the toswa, person praise here. I mean, bring your neighbor no. Value for money no. Ubinyano mahoma was say a man for her comment in the back. I say guess nanka say ton omo ho what you say omo na ma awoso ndi no ye ton awoso na ye ton product no ma en fa woni de oton bia Kumawood ye bibia ye je no answer there any authorized by FDA nkwana ye na ha if Food and Drug Authority adia to nkwana why not Fabra na ye nkenkan ma resmafu akasa but and I believe say medibetu anasa medibetu apo ewa ha or say Martin Luther Kofi Kenyatta okay but yeah brena I be ntimi kan what say but the resume ka say Kofi Kenyatta any songwriter say the amount for air can the amount for chess and nyom things fall apart ready aduma Ghana Music Awards e channel wanya ya pon Frank ye ntimi discuss be no na wo chia
ready aduma 6 to 8 p.m. every Sunday. Okay. Ghana Live Worship, you know, Kumawood TV. Okay. It's Fatu Ownership. Okay. 6 to 8 every Sunday. Okay. Let us see. Let's see.
Manzba.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Mamincha and in black.
Okay. And in black shoes.
And in black shoes. And the slipper, my Sheba studio, no one.
Nice.
And I mean, something share friends and introduce clothing, starting clothing, coverage clothing. Okay. Omodos. I mean, chia obi bia ohwe dwuma.
Yan chia obi bia ohwe dwuma de ni bia mama nko adra na to my sweet girl Esther Ohima dance wa boatin me chia opa me say o ha adwene pa so papa bodju de bia but don't salute and come out. My first the PCMA production team headed by Urasam Dakus, Kobe by Jane by Augustina by Loretta by ready aduma next week Thursday. You better start another powerful show. But want me and full show no. Saturday 10 a.m. Pepe. Ubenya the playback. Thank you very much. May the good Lord be with us. So same time next week you better share.
Kumawood TV. Amansane yena yedimu.
Are you ready to apologize to Joe Mettle?
I've not insulted Joe Mettle. Okay. If I see him right now, I'm cool with him. Me Joe Mettle because it will be our choice.
Hospitals beyond my say we National Theatre what to discuss them scouts are in conference what to say to me I be there. What's Africa my food.
All right. Yeah, but obiso ye Christian.
Ye Christian papa.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, bi wo ho a enu ka say Christian e ko.
Me ba movie industry kwakumen tu me fu bi. Okay. First time kwakumen who say me act no say. We no say bra. Looking at your accent, we very good.
Nice one.
But I'm in too fu bi.